Mohit Sehgal is Indian television's one of the most heartthrob actor, and today he's going to answer all the questions his fans have sent for him. Stay tuned. A fan wants Mohit to come back to TV as soon as possible and is curious to know what type of show he's looking forward to.
I've already said that. There's no type. I'm just waiting something which is challenging, which is good, what I like doing, where I'm happy, So something different, something which is off, what I have done before. So that's what I'm looking for, which is challenging, more importantly.
Sara, Mahira, Fatima, Suparna, Anushka, Amrita, Priyanka, and Shreya also want to know what type of genre he's looking forward to. Love story, family drama, comedy show, historical show.
No family, I don't know. I don't want to be a part of family drama right now. But if I have to, like, if there is no choice, and I feel that now I'm tired of not working, and I just have to be just to work, then I will maybe choose a family drama. Otherwise, yeah, any other shows like love show, love story. Yeah, any show which is good, challenging, good script, good show, good people to work with, where I'm happy, I will do it.
Shreya wants to know what Mohit does in his free time. Also, since he has joined Instagram recently, is he liking it?
I like cooking. I like sleeping. Okay. So, छोले भटूरे खाए हुए बहुत टाइम हो गया actually. But I like cooking. I like sleeping. I like cycling. I don't watch TV. I'm always on my computer, my laptop, on YouTube. I'm always on YouTube, and yeah, that's right. And keep doing up with my house something or the other, shuffle things from here to here to here. Something I could just keep myself busy. Yeah. I'm not active on Instagram. All of you know that. I try to be active, but I don't know, yaar. I don't know. I can't just keep posting. A lot of people do that, and I don't say that it's wrong, to each its own. Like, but I can't do, like, just keep posting where am I, what am I eating, look where am I right now. So I can't do that. But if something is good where I think I should post it and people should see, I will do that. Yeah. Even Sanaya doesn't do that. Yeah.
Charmi wants to know which show, according to Mohit, gave him more exposure and best opportunity to showcase his talent.
Even though, like, Mile Je Hum Tum was my favorite show and is my favorite show, it was my baby. But I think to show my skills, I think it was Sarojini, because till that time I was, I was good in my, I think where I was, yeah, you could see both my sides, and it was something different to play, out of my comfort zone, which is more important. So I think that side, yeah.
Megha Das asked Mohit that whether he would do a historic show and who is his favorite historic character.
I don't watch historical shows, but if given a chance, I will, yeah.
Twinkle is curious to know that if given a chance, would he love to do a film? And if yes, then which actress he would want opposite him?
To work with, yeah? Which actress? I think Alia. I really like her acting now. As of now, she's doing a fantastic job. Like, whatever she's doing, and it's so natural and so real right now. Alia, you're great. Like, if you're hearing this, but she's really good. Like, Alia, yeah. She's my most favorite right now.
Charmi also wants to ask, 6-pack abs, 4-pack abs have become one kind of trend in TV industry. Does Mohit think it's mandatory to have abs, muscular physique to get better roles?
No, it's not mandatory at all. If it was there, then Irfan Khan, where he is right now, he wouldn't have been there. Nawazuddin. So there's so many people who don't have packs, and they are still, like, doing so well in their lives, doing so well for themselves. So it's not mandatory at all. It's for you, for yourself. Like, if you want to make, you can make. If you don't want it, it's okay. Like, your talent shows, guys, more than your talent shows, then your body, your face, everything comes later. Your talent comes first, I think. That's what I think. So
Radhika admires the chemistry between Mohit and Shiny Doshi and wants to know when could she see them together again.
I don't know that. You have to ask director, producers when they want to cast us together. So I don't know. If given a chance, I would love to work with her again.
Shikha says, since Angry Young Man character is in trend, would he do if he given a chance?
Of course, I will do it. Of course, I will do it. Of course.
Ravisha wants to know would he be interested in web series?
कुछ अच्छी एपिसोडिक मिलेगा तो मैं ज़रूर करूँगा.
Mahira Hassan Sheikh from Dubai asked Mohit that if he gets a chance to meet his fans in Dubai, would he do that?
Me and Saraya actually we planned in January, but we have taken so many trips, and we are little tired, so that's why we have postponed our Dubai trip. But we will do it soon, for sure, and we'll meet you.
Charmi and Suparna liked Mohit singing and asked which song he would dedicate to his fans and why.
ऐसे मुझे बिल्कुल याद नहीं आते गाने. मुझे ऐसे कोई पूछता है कि कौन सा गाना, तो मुझे बिल्कुल याद नहीं आता, समझ में नहीं आता कौन सा. देयर सो मेनी सॉन्ग्स यार. Okay, right now I can't think of any song. There's so many songs, but I can say तुम हो पास मेरे साथ मेरे तुम हो क्या, I don't know, तुम कितना, that song. I'm very bad with lyrics, so that song.
Twinkle inquires that there were news of a Marathi film being offered to him. Is he doing it?
नहीं, अभी नहीं हुई है. मुझे मराठी बोलनी नहीं आती है. I'm sorry. Being in Bombay for 10 years, I didn't know Marathi, but I will learn. I'll try to learn.
Hi, this is Mohit Sehgal. You are watching me on India Forums, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel India Forums. Keep watching India Forums, guys.
Hope you like this fan question and answer round with Mohit. For more updates on your favorite TV stars, like, share and subscribe to India Forums on YouTube. Addiction at its best. Ashima Chavda, camera person Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.